I feel the tray at dawn, sun on the mango skin. One perch, then three more, tiny beaks quick and thin. Seed husks on the rail, like little paper boats. They land, they lift, they dart, right through my throat. Some are here all year, some are just passing through. North line, south line, they all come through me too. I watch them mapping wings, draw circles in the heat. Near the equator, everything meets.
Birds on my feeder,
birds on my feeder, native and blue.
birds on my feeder,
Birds on my feeder, right over you, right over you, right over you. A honey sunbird steals the top of the saucer first, and a streak of gray with the travel stained thirst. I know the local names and I learn the rest from strangers in the trees at the feeder's chest. One day there's a low, next day there's a crowd, like the whole sky folded and came down loud. Some are here all year, some are just passing through. North line, south line, they all come through me too. I hear the season move inside a single call. Near the equator, I get it all.
birds on my feeder,
Birds on my feeder, native and new.
birds on my feeder,
Birds on my feeder, right over you, right over you, right over you. One small bow big enough for a world. Palm shadow, flutter tail, flick wing curl. Who knew a feeder could hold this much sky? Who knew a morning could pass by and fly, 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 fly?